So in this lecture, we'll see like how to record a script using the JMeter. For recording the script in a JMeter, the first of all we need to import a certificate, the JMeter certificate in a Chrome browser, and or if you are using a Internet Explorer or Firefox, similarly we need to import in a browser that particular certificate from the JMeter, and the certificate will found in a bin folder of a JMeter. If you see here, this is the certificate Apache JMeter temporarily root CA. This is the certificate, and we need to import this certificate in a browser. So for importing the certificate, we need to go to the setting of a Chrome browser. So I'm going to start from the I'm going to open the setting. So just we need to go to the setting, and then we need to go to the advanced setting of a Chrome browser. And if you see here we'll get some security tab, uh, or we can just search as a certificate. Okay, uh, okay, this is a certificate. Okay, privacy and security, and then this is the security. If we click on that, we'll find a tab as a manage certificate. So just click on the manage certificate, and then we need to import the particular certificate. Just click on the certificate, continue, then browse the certificate, particular certificate. uh, then we need to go to the certificate, that JMeter folder. This JMeter certificate and JMeter folder. Then we need to go to the bin folder, and we need to select this certificate. Okay, and then after that, just we need to click on the next net, and the certificate will be imported in our Chrome browser. Okay, the certificate is already there in my Chrome browser, so I'm not importing that one. Once the certificate will be imported, after that we need to go to the JMeter, and here we need to create a template for the recording only. Just we need to click on that template, this template button, and then from this drop down we need to select the recording, either as a recording or recording with think time. So I'm selecting as a recording, then create. Okay, I'll do it again. This is the recording, then create. Okay, so my recording template has been created. If you see here, this is the test recording script, and this is the thread as a controller will be there, recording controller. And just we need to click on the test script recorder, and if you see here, the start button will be there. For recording, we need to click on the start button. Before recording the script, first of all, we need to ensure that we are using as a port number 888. Okay, 4 times 8, and the same port number that should be set in our proxy system proxy. uh, just we need to open the proxy. Okay, change proxy setting. Okay, so if you see I have already set the proxy as a 4 times 8, and on a local host, just we need to enable this proxy server, and then we need to click on the save button. Okay, after clicking on the save button, then we need to click on the start. Okay, so before the recording, I'm just going to open uh, like uh, uh, okay, like I'm going to record www.google.com. Okay, from here we need to click on the start button. Okay, so now my JMeter in a recording mode, and after that we need to hit in the URL. Okay. Okay, and if sometimes if we get this type of error, just we need to clear our clear our history. Okay. So I have cleared my history. Now I'm again going to start my recording. Okay, just we need to click on the start button. Okay, again it will be in the recording mode. Then we need to hit any URL. Okay, before recording we need to ensure that our proxy should be enabled on the port 4 times 8. Okay, and if you see like recording has been started. Okay, like if you go to the recording tab, it will show like it's recording the script. Okay, okay, like proceed with unsafe mode because we are opening this browser on a local host only. And if you see here, like it's start the recording, here the in recording controller, it will show all the HTTP request. If it will not record, just clear the history. Now if you see, it's start recording, like a sign in, it has recorded, right? uh, so it's loading the page. Similarly, like if we hit any URL, it will start recording. Okay, if the URL will be correct only. See, like sign in experience by name today, like it's start recording the script. Okay, like create a, I'm just going to click on the create a new AWS account. Just you need to click on the create a new AWS account. If you go to the script, it if we'll see like it will start recording. The 29 will be there. After that it will get changed. Okay, like if it will record some script. See, like the HTTP request 30 has been recorded. Okay, and if we see with some other page like okay, like JSON path extractor will be there. So just I'm opening this one and we'll check like it's recording or not. So it's taking long time. If the URL will be correct, so it will start recording. if you see here, like JSON path, is it has recorded the script. Now I'm going to stop the script, stop the recording. Okay, and I'm going to change the proxy also, because with this proxy we can't access all the URL. Okay, so our script has been recorded. If you see here, like our script has been recorded, everything has been recorded, right? And if we need to execute this script, just we need to click on the run. So it will execute this, it will execute all the script. uh, and thanks for watching this video.